Welcome to Reservety tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to look at two powerful reporting tools in Reservety. The first one is inventory reports, and the second one is profit and return on investment reports. These reports help you understand inventory availability, utilization, and the financial performance of your rental business. Let's get started. Let's start with inventory reports. To access the inventory reports, go to the admin dashboard, click on View Admin, then click on Availability. Then click on Daily Stocks. On the Daily Stocks page, at the top you can select your reporting period. Choose category or a warehouse. Search for specific products and choose whether to expand the serial units or group variations. Once you have selected your filters, you will simply click on Apply. For this tutorial, we will select the start date, May 1st, and the end date, July 7th, which is today's date. Then we will select all categories, all warehouses, and you can get the daily or hourly reports. In this case, we want to get a daily report, so we will select day. Then we will click Apply. As you can see, our daily stock schedule appears in our list along with the numbers and color codes. Once you click Apply, our daily stock schedule will change based on the selected reporting time or the period. Daily inventory report includes 4 different views. The first one is Overview. The Overview report provides a quick snapshot of inventory availability. Each row represents a product, while each column represents a date. The numbers inside the grid shows how many units are available on each day. Green cells indicates available inventory, while other colors represent different availability states. Below the grid, you will find a list of products currently rented during the selected period, including their booking dates. This report is perfect for quickly identifying busy dates and checking inventory levels. Now let's click on the Patterns tab. The Patterns reports helps you analyze the utilization trends throughout the week. It displays the average utilization percentages by hour and by day, making it easy to identify your busiest times. This information can help you optimize staffing, delivery schedules, pricing, and inventory planning. Now let's click on Product Details tab. The Product Details report focuses on a single product. Click on any product. For example, let's go back to the Overview tab. Click on any product to display a utilization graph showing exactly when the item is rented and when it's available. Let's say we want to see 6x10 enclosed cargo trailer schedule. Click on it. As soon as you click on a product, it will display utilization graph, which will show exactly when the item is rented and when it's available. Below the graph, you will find every booking associated with that product during the selected date range. This report is especially useful for troubleshooting scheduling conflicts or reviewing the rental history of individual inventory items. Now let's click on the last tab called Classic Table. Click on it. This Classic Table report displays all the rentals occurring on a specific day. You can choose a date and export. Let's say we want to get an inventory report for April. First, click on Choose Start Date and select April 1st. Then click on Choose End Date and we will select April 30th. As you can see, report shows items rented in April. There is a 7x14 dump trailer, 5x8 single axe utility trailer, 6x10 enclosed cargo trailer. And it shows how many rented and how many were available. And this completes our first part of the tutorial. We hope that now you can generate daily stock reports using this availability section and clicking on daily stocks. Now let's move on to the second part of our tutorial and show you how to generate profit and return on investment reports. To generate ROI reports, go back to the main page on your rental dashboard. Click on Bookings, then click on Profit and ROI. At the top of the page, you will see several key performance indicators. Let's start with the total invested. Total invested shows how much you have spent purchasing your rental inventory. The Booked section displays the total value of bookings during the selected period. Cash collected shows the amount you have actually received from customers. Recovered section tells you what percentage of your original investment has already been recovered through rental income. Net profit calculates your profit after subtracting the purchase cost of your inventory. The final section, which is products, shows how many products are included in the report. In this case, it displays report for only one product. And that product is 18-inch car hauler trailer. As you can see, 7,500 is invested, and the booked amount is 2,080, and collected is $1,057.61, and net profit is minus 5,420, which is minus 72.3% ROI. So far, this product recovered only 14% of its total value. Now you may ask why it displays a report for only one product. Because in order to get the full report, you have to set up the invested amount in the product details page. In other words, you have to enter the original price of a product in the product details page so you can get the full ROI reports. And we will show you how to write the invested amount for each product during this video. For now, let's go up and discuss about the performance chart. Below the summary cards, you will see the bar chart comparing invested, collected, and booked. This gives you a quick visual overview of your business performance. Now let's scroll down a little bit and show you the filters. Like most reports, you can filter the results by date range, warehouse. After changing any of these filters, click Apply. You can also export the report to CSV for accounting and further analysis. And let's focus on product performance table. The table below provides the detailed financial information for every product. Let's go over the columns here. We will start with the product name, which is self-explanatory. Invested column shows the purchase cost of the product. Booked is the total amount rental revenue generated. Collected shows the payment you actually received. Net profit calculates the profit after subtracting the purchase cost. ROI percentage measures your return on investment. Recovered displays how much of the purchase price has already been recovered. Estimated break-even predicts when the product will fully pay for itself. Outstanding shows how much investment still remains to be recovered. Utilization measures how frequently product has been rented. Time rented displays the total rental duration. Booking shows the total number of rentals. Average per booking calculates average revenue per rental. And finally, the last column, which is annualized ROI. It estimates the yearly return based on the current performance. In order to get the full report, you have to go to the product details page. You have to add the original cost of the product for each product. In this case, only 18-inch car hauler trailer has the original product price. Now let's say we want to get a full report for 10-yard dumpster and 20-inch gooseneck flatbed trailer. So what we will do, we will go to the products page, click on the products, click on all items, find the 10-yard dumpster, which is this one, click on edit. On the product page, scroll down and find the section that says purchase information. Click on add purchase and fill out the fields. We will say Sam's Dumpsters. Now let's enter the purchase price. Let's say we spent 4,000 for this dumpster. We will write here 4,000 and write the quantity, how many you purchased. Then select acquire date. Let's say we got it in March 4th. Then write the invoice number. And you can leave a special note. In this case, we wrote simple message, something like, we got it at a discount price. You can write here anything to give more information about the inventory. Once you're done, click on update. Now let's find the second product, which is 20-inch gooseneck trailer. Go to the all items. Now let's find the 20-inch gooseneck trailer, which is this one. Click edit. Once you're on the product page, scroll down. Find the section that says purchase information. Click on add purchase. Write down the vendor name. We'll say Trailer Nation. Write down the purchase price. Let's say it's 11,000. And we got only one of these. So we will write 1 under the quantity. Then select the acquire date. Let's select March 5th. Invoice number. And you can write a special note. It's optional. If you don't want it, you can leave it blank. Then go up. Then click on update. Since we updated the 2 trailers with the purchase price, let's go back to the reports. Click on bookings, click on profit and ROI. As you can see, our general information changed. Earlier it was displaying reports for only one product. Now we added 2 products to the list. So now it shows the reports for 10-yard dumpster and 20-inch gooseneck flatbed trailer. As you can see, we recovered 58% of the original purchase price of the 10-yard dumpster, and there is only 13% recovered for the 20-inch gooseneck flatbed trailer. And this is how you generate profit and ROI reports for each rental product. Right now we showed how to add a purchase price to existing products, but you can add the purchase price while you are entering new products to your rental website. Before we complete this tutorial, we want to give some best practice advice. First, always enter the purchase price for your inventory. Review the utilization regularly to identify underused equipment. Compare booked versus collected to monitor unpaid balances. And this is the end of our tutorial. Thank you for paying attention, and we will see you in the next tutorials.